Yeah, so it was an incredible day today in the stock market. I'm up over $1,500 and I made most of that in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how I broke that down and how I was able to make a fantastic trade all coming up. But first, I just want to welcome you to my channel. Hi, my name is Brad and this is Own the Chaos. You know, the stock market and the world of finance is crazy and chaotic, and I've made my mission to help you own it. So if you want to see more content such as this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, click the bell, all that. So today in the stock market was a crazy day. Donald Trump whacked some general from Iran and the stock market got all panicky, but we did not. And I'm gonna give you a really exclusive look into my mentorship today, because I was going to just try to recreate and re-explain what exactly happened, but I really kind of wanted to give a snapshot on how we reacted to the stock market and how we were able to stay patient and make our entries accordingly. Now, my biggest trade today was Tesla. I only traded 2 stocks today, mind you. So my biggest trade today was Tesla. And I was showing my mentorship folks the importance of paying attention to that pre-market high. So the pre-market high on Tesla is around 442. And I was explaining to them, you know, the importance of making and keeping track of that pre-market high. And the reason for that being is that kind of gives you an area of resistance when the market actually opens. And if it breaks that resistance, there's a very good chance that it could continue to move on once it breaks up over that. And so after 442 resistance, it was game on. I made my entry, and I'm gonna show you what exactly happened in the mentorship right now. Okay, so Tesla's pulling back here a little bit, so I'm just gonna look at this one. Tesla, I'm getting in Tesla right now. You can see it's getting ready to move back over the high of the day already, or the pre-market high. So I'm gonna buy some here. So yeah, Tesla's breaking out here. I'm gonna add the Tesla a little bit, 50 more shares. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, 445. Jesus. Well, maybe I only got to trade Tesla today. There we go. Oh, yeah. Whoop, whoop. So I got to think about where I want to lock in some profit, okay? So now that I had a little bit of an emotional moment, I got to get my emotions in check here. Set a stop loss. So I set a stop loss at 450. So I set half, because that way I'll at least lock in some profit, right? Lock in some profit and then kind of see where she ends up going. But now I'm going to move it up. So 450 was going to be it, but now I'm going to move it up. So now it's 454. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Holy shit balls. Okay, so now I'm going to move my stop loss at 452. Oh my God. 452. I'm going to sell 100 shares there and see where it goes. That way I lock in profit. Probably going to lock in somewhere around $750. There it is, locked it in. And so now I have 100 shares left in there, so half my position. And now, you know, I'm a little stress-free. Not that I wasn't stress-free before. So there you have it. That's what goes on every single day in my mentorship. Believe it or not, I do get super excited still. That's just how passionate I am about trading in the stock market. I mean, where else can you just make all of your money within the first 10, 15 minutes of the day and then have the rest of the day to do whatever you want? And that's the freedom that trading in the stock market can give you, as long as you know what you're doing. Now, does this happen every single day? No, it doesn't, but more times than not, you're looking to make most of your money in that crucial part of the opening bell. And so what we were doing was just being really super patient and waiting for our time to execute. So watching that, could I have gotten in at 436 and made a boatload more cash? Of course I could have, but again, I'm sticking to my plan. I'm staying disciplined. And at the end of the day, how can I be angry about making over $1,000 in just that short period of time? And in case you were wondering about AMD, AMD did come down, but then came roaring back. And currently I am still in this, up over $400 on the day on AMD. So it's been an extremely fantastic day. And so I couldn't be happier. And I just wanted to give you guys a snapshot of what it is that we do and how I was able to scale myself out. As I was explaining to one of our folks in the mentorship, scaling yourself out is definitely a good practice to have. And so part of that reasoning for doing that is that you're selling chunks at a time of your position as the stock keeps going. You're selling into that momentum. And what I decided to do was just hold on to a few more shares to see where it ended up going. And so at that point, I basically was stress-free. I locked in $1,000 profit. I was able to play around with that 50 shares and see where it went. And sold out and still made a really, really great profit at the end of the day. Sometimes I always like to just hold a little bit more just in case, try to get that icing on the cake. But if it doesn't end up working out, I was still able to lock in a ton of profit and made out great on the day, which is pretty awesome because yesterday I also had a $1,000 day. So that makes me 2 for 2 for 2020. And couldn't be happier. Let's keep the streak going, guys. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to be a part of the mentorship where I go live with folks in the most crucial parts of the stock market and teach you and show you how it is that I trade and how I'm able to find success, click the links below. Check out WeTradeHQ.com. That is the community, the business that I've built with other like-minded individuals, with other mentors that can help you learn and grow and be successful in the stock market. So check that out down below. It's not going to break the bank, but it's going to help you propel your trading career and really kind of achieve that financial freedom that all of us are searching for. And that's going to do it for me, folks. If you could do me a solid and hit that subscribe button, I certainly would appreciate it. I just looked and over 60% of you are watching my videos and still aren't subscribed. What are you waiting for? It's free. And as always, guys, I will see you all before the bell. B. Smith is out. Well, we are officially in a new decade. Can you believe it? It's been pretty awesome. But of course, it naturally begs the question, what should I be investing in for the next 10 years?